Okay, for natural charred material, I tried doing some cedar bark, but it does not catch a spark very well. Maybe a spark extender or something to that effect, but it didn't work very well, so I'm not even going to use that. This is what I'm looking for. Some thistle down. Quite a bit. Ouch. We'll get that loaded up. Alright. I'll get back with you guys when I can fill the container. Right, so my tin's just about full. And we've got a bunch of mullein here too. After we logged it, this stuff just grows everywhere, especially right by the burn piles. But okay, it's kind of funny. I took my fire still and just kind of tried to light this thing again while the camera's off, and it's been burning for about 5 minutes now. So, and I don't know, didn't seem to want to burn the other day. Now it's just burning because the wind's blowing. But it's charred cedar bark. Must have just caught one of them just right, and the wind's just igniting them all. Anyway. There's our thistle down. Well, I don't think it's done all the way. Huh. This cedar's still going. I know that would light that. I mean, you can see it smoking. I mean, it's still going. It's amazing. That's still going. There we go. Oh. I hope you got that.